Today I'm going to teach you how to integrate Airtable with Jotform workflows. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to automatically send approved form submissions directly into your Airtable database, eliminating manual data entry and keeping your records organized in real time. First, open your browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. After logging in, look at the top of the page where you'll find a drop-down menu. Click on it and select My Workflows. This will take you to the Workflows dashboard where you can create and manage all your automated processes. Now, click on Create Workflow to start building your new automation. For this example, we'll use the Request Approvals template, which is perfect for scenarios where submissions need to be reviewed before being sent to Airtable. Click on it to select it and then wait a moment while Jotform loads the workflow builder. This might take a few seconds depending on your connection. Once everything loads, you'll see the workflow layout in front of you. At the top, you'll notice a section labeled Starting Point. Click on it to complete the initial settings. Here, you need to select a form from your Jotform account. This will be the form that triggers the entire workflow whenever someone submits it. Next, look over to the left side of the screen where you'll see a section labeled Approved. Between the Approved section and the element that says your request has been approved, you'll notice a link connecting to End. Click on that link and delete it. This step is important because we need to insert Airtable into the workflow before it ends. After deleting that connection, adjust the End element on the lower part of the canvas by dragging it down a bit. This gives you more space to work with and makes the workflow easier to visualize. Now, on the left side, click on Add Element. This opens up a menu with various options. Navigate to the Integrations tab at the top. In the search bar, type Airtable and click on it when it appears. You'll see an option that says Create Record. Click on it to add the Airtable integration to your workflow. Once the Airtable element appears on your canvas, click on it to complete the settings. The first thing you'll need to do is click Authenticate. This connects your Airtable account to Jotform. After authenticating, you'll be prompted to choose a base and table from your Airtable account. Select the appropriate base and table where you want your approved submissions to be sent. Next, you'll see a section called Match Your Fields. This is where you map the fields from your Jotform to the corresponding fields in your Airtable table. Carefully select each field on the Airtable side and match it with the correct form fields. This ensures that the data flows into the right columns. Once you've matched all the necessary fields, click Save. Now, it's time to connect everything. Draw a link from the Your Request Has Been Approved element to the Airtable element you just configured. Then, connect the Airtable element to the End element. This creates a clear path where approved requests automatically create records in Airtable before the workflow concludes. Finally, at the top of the screen, click Publish to activate your workflow. Your integration is now live and any approved submissions will automatically be sent to your Airtable database. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.